This is carambola, starfruit, Avaroa carambola, I guess. You can see the damage the monk parakeets or parrots do on the fruit. Here's a different variety. This is Hue 1. This is the B17, one of my favorite. This one has got so much sugar in it that when you pick a box that's like a 10-pound box, it'll weigh close to 12 and a half to 13 pounds. It has that much extra sugar. I was going to harvest these for sale tomorrow. We're just coming off a 6-month quarantine from Oriental fruit fly. And yesterday when I mowed here, they looked fine. Today, the birds have damaged each and every... Whoops, there's one. The carambola has got oxalic acid and malic acid and sugar. The most commercial variety, which is known as Arkin, is sweet because it has virtually no acid. This has a lot of acid but a lot of sugar to go with it, so it has flavor. I use the carambola a lot in cooking, and I cook things such as carambola pie. I do 2 pi R² using half-sheet pans, and they turn out nicely with the tapioca starch and turbinado sugar. Sometimes it actually turns red, I don't know why, in the oven while cooking, and it's thick enough that you can eat them out of your hand at coffees and ice cream socials and things where normal pie would sort of leak all over. Carambola works well as a relish. It can be cut in stars and set on the side of your iced tea or other drinks. A Manhattan looks wicked with a piece of carambola and a slice of orange instead of the traditional maraschino cherry. They fruit starting here around July and continue usually through about December, but because of our extremely warm winter, they're continuing fruit even to now. And if I didn't have such a bird problem, I would have some to sell to the public. We try to pick them much riper on this farm than most commercial farms. Because of all the problems, commercial farms pick them while they're still fairly much gourd green and haven't developed their full potential flavor. Any questions? Nice purple flower, small growing tree, so it doesn't need much pruning, and it does fairly well down to probably 32 degrees.